Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you this green like Christmas tree kind of inspired makeup look. I love this green on the eye and it's just so pretty and it looks really good with blue eyes especially. And I just felt like it would be the perfect green Christmas makeup look, and the green is just looks so much like a Christmas tree to me, and I just love it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. Okay, so I already did this eye off camera, and I primed this eye like I always do and set my inner corner to brow bone as always. The palette I'm using today is the Nomad by Juvia's, and this has these really gorgeous shades in it, these two greens, and that's mostly what we're using today. I'm gonna go in with this big fluffy brush from the brand Cala, I'm guessing, and this is a little brush set I got, and I'm gonna take this yellow and I'm gonna be blending this into my crease as my transition color. And then I'm gonna take this little bit smaller of a brush from that same set, and I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's like a nice orange color. And I'm gonna blend that in my crease as well. A little bit tighter, not blowing it up as high as the yellow, but mostly doing the same thing with it. I absolutely love these Juvia's Place eyeshadows. They're so nice. Easy to blend. They're so pigmented. And just, they don't give any issues with when it comes to blending or pigmentation. They're perfect. And then I'm going to use mostly this green right here. But I'm going to go into one little tap of this one, like very little, because I don't want this to be too dark. We're trying to get this beautiful green shade like what I have on this eye. So I'm gonna take a lot of this one, and then I'm gonna literally go like that on that one, and that's gonna be it. And then we're gonna blend it all over, put it all over my lid. No, this is a little bit of a dark look, but I really like it. I think it's really, really cute. And it's exactly what I feel like a green smoky eye is gorgeous for Christmas. So once I have that done, I'm just gonna go back with this brush that we used the orange with and just kind of blend in the crease once more, just to make sure that we blend between a little bit. And that's literally it. It's super fast actually and pretty simple. And then I'm gonna use this Technic Mega Glow highlighting little kit that I got, and these are amazing. And I'm gonna use this cool toned white right here and just put that in the inner corner. Like, look at how bright that is. On this eye, I did way too much at first, and it looked crazy. And then I'm gonna use a makeup wipe and just wipe off any fallout. A little bit of a brush, and my camera battery was being annoying again. So I had to do my face makeup off camera. I used my She Glam foundation and my e.l.f. hydrating camo concealer, and I used my Maybelline powder to set it. And now I'm bronzing up my face with my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear bronzer. And I'm going to quickly use my Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Coral and blush up my cheeks with that really quick. Hopefully I'll be able to get a new camera battery soon, so I don't have to have that happening anymore. But yeah, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. This is the powder contour palette, and I'm using this shade right here to highlight. It's the perfect Your Skin But Better highlight, and it's really, really pretty and not glittery at all. And from my last makeup tutorial, I'm done with glitter right now. Because I used a lot of glitter in that last tutorial and I'm still recovering. There's still glitter everywhere. But just make my face look more pretty and highlighted. And then I'm going to just go in with this big fluffy e.l.f. powder brush and blend everything out so that it looks more natural. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams No Budge eyeshadow stick in the shade Sweet Cream, and I'm going to put that on my waterline. I use these as eyeliners because they're so good. And just using that will make it not look so smoky. It'll kind of make it a little bit more wearable and not as smoky as if you put like a black or brown on the waterline, but that would be really pretty too if you wanted to really smoke it out. And now I'm going to use my ColourPop Act Natural mascara after curling my lashes. I'm going to finish this look off and use my CoverGirl Outlast Ultimate Liquid Lipstick in the shade Love You Mocha. It is like more of a neutral color, nude. And I've literally used it so much because I love it that it is like I honestly need to buy another one because I've used so much of it. It's just such a great formula. It's not drying, but it still dries down so that it's transfer proof, and I just love it so much. It's such a good color for me too. So this is the completed makeup tutorial right here for Christmas. I really love the way that it turned out and really hope you guys enjoyed. So subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.